So if you're anything like me, sometimes your kids' birthdays sneak up on you and you have to get out an invitation really quick. So today we're going to be taking 10 minutes to create a party invitation that you can print, or usually I just text them out to parents. It's a little easier. So this is super simple. So the first thing I would do, we're going to start the clock now. We're going to take 10 minutes. I'm going to create a design and go in and type in invitation. And we're going to choose invitation portrait. You can choose any layout you like. So this is going to be for my son, and we're going to do a space theme. So you can click on some of these pre-selected menus up here to kind of narrow it down, but if you know exactly what you're looking for like I do, I'm just gonna type in birthday space and see what we have. So the main thing you're looking for here is some sort of, I would say the most important thing is to find a layout that you can work with. It doesn't have to be exactly what you want. It doesn't have to even have the same colors or fonts as you would like. We can always switch that up later. But when we're only taking 10 minutes to make an invitation, this is a perfect starting place. So I'm just going to scroll down and look for something that I can start with. Okay, I think this is a great place to start. The first thing I always do is just name it. So I'm just going to type in Nick 6 invite. Okay, the reason why I chose this one is I like the style of art that it has. I don't necessarily like the purple color as a background, but this is a great place to start because I kind of like what's going on here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of the cartoon stars, and we're gonna try and make it look maybe a little more realistic for him. Okay, so let's get all our information in. Why don't we switch this to you are invited. Let's make this our title. We're gonna add, let's add some more text in here to Nick's birthday party. Or if you want to add a little something else, we can go, you're invited to Nick's out of this world birthday party. Change it to the correct date. We'll just leave that there for now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do in terms of the color is change the background to, I think, black or something close to black. Black might be a little harsh. See how that's a little bit harsh. So let's go in here and take maybe a blue and darken it up. So to do that, I just click on my color and then add a new color. And I can just take this toggle and kind of play around with it and get it to where I want. So I kind of like a really dark blue-gray, I think looks good with that. I'm gonna move this guy up, and I'm gonna switch out these to get rid of some pink. So one of my favorite tricks is right click on something that has the style of what I like, and I click on the 3 dots and go down to the bottom to info. And here is all the information about the element. I'm going to click the little magnifying glass, see more like this, and this is going to bring up on the side a whole bunch of elements, not necessarily from that artist or collection, but has a similar look to them. So these definitely do. So I'm going to try and find a planet here that I can replace that pink planet with. We could even go with Earth too, that looks pretty cool. So here's where we're just gonna play around and see what looks best. Maybe we could do Earth there. What about Galaxy? Let's try Galaxy. Graphics. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. It's a little bit more realistic. Let's put that behind him. So I'm just gonna layer this, send it to the back, behind our little astronaut guy. It's kind of washing him out, so I'm just gonna click on that constellation and put the transparency down a little bit. See how he pops a little bit more. I'm gonna put him back on the moon, like that. Okay, I like this galaxy behind. Maybe if we just do that. Ooh, okay. Let's do that. Bring that down even a little bit more. Okay, I like this. Let's work on our text. So I said I didn't like this font. I'm gonna find something else. Let's type in kids and see what options we have. Find it. It's kind of cute. See, our font sizes are different, so we'll just make those the same. Oops. Okay, this is 10 minutes, so we have to speed up a little bit here. And I group this all together to keep it together. Move her down. Okay. Just gonna rotate my astronaut a tiny bit. Okay. I'm gonna switch this around. I'm gonna bring my astronaut guy to the bottom. I'm gonna bring Earth here. And my asteroids back to the bottom. Thinking that looks better. Actually, let's do our trick and see if it shows us any stars. There's a rocket ship. That could be cool. Let's do that. Okay, I like this. The font, I should say, is the only thing I'm not happy with, so I'm just gonna quick ungroup this and switch up my font. Let's check out what font they're using for the 9 here. Let's try that one. Okay, I like this. If you did want a little bit more color, we can maybe switch up the date and pull a color from one of our elements. Yellow. Yeah, I like the yellow. Okay, the only thing I might add here is to add some sort of divider between the title and the subtitle here. What about a shooting star? Well, we could try this. We can change the color here. I'll change it back to yellow or white would work. I keep moving back. Sometimes it helps to take a step back. And the only other thing that stands out to me is I'm just gonna change the line spacing in the title to make it a little bit closer together. Okay, I really like this. It's quick, simple. He'll love it. From here, I'll probably just download it in PNG or JPEG, so I'm able to send it on my phone to his friend's parents. So if you're ever in a pinch like I am sometimes, it's a really great way to get the invitation out quickly, and your kiddo can help you give some input on what he likes as well, but I think that took about 15 minutes. So if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know. Let me know if you have any further suggestions, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!